In a world flooded with emails, how can yours stand out and capture attention? Compelling subject lines are crucial, but trying to rise above 121 daily emails is tough. Imagine transforming your email strategy by leveraging a powerful, yet often overlooked tool, social proof. Including customer testimonials in your subject lines can significantly boost email open rates. Just one positive review can influence countless potential customers to take action and engage. Highlight impressive numbers in your subject lines to effectively hint at popularity and encourage opens. Promoting popular products helps remind existing customers of their past purchases and drive repeat sales. Endorsements from influencers lend your brand credibility, helping to convert more prospects. Awards provide the trust needed for success, showcasing your products as top tier in the industry. Use media mentions to position your brand as an expert, making prospects eager to learn more.